Hi everyone, welcome to MKD Creation. My name is Mansi Salunke with my group member Komal Ligam, Aarti Bukule, Diksha Rao and Purva Patil. We are students of Computer Department, Government Polytechnic, Mumbai. Our project is online examination system which is created under the guidance of Professor Jignasa S. Patil ma'am. So let's move towards our topic. This is our online examination system website where we can see default page as admin login. Now clicking on the login button, we can see the message displays as please enter your username and password. So now we are going to enter the username and we are going to enter the password which is incorrect. By clicking on the login button, we can see the message displays as username or password is incorrect. So now we are going to enter the correct password. By clicking on the login button, we are successfully logged in as admin and we can see the default page as category page. In the right side up corner, we can see the username and the name of the user logged in. As admin, we are going to add student here. By entering the username, password, name and email, we can register the student. By clicking on the register button, we can see the student is successfully added. To update or delete student, we are going to manage student. Here in search box, we are entering the student username. By clicking on the select, we can update the student details. And by clicking on the update button, we can see the student information is updated successfully. Now to delete, we are selecting the student name and clicking on the delete button, we can see the record deleted successfully. Clicking on the student's detail, we can see total registered students in the table. Same like student, we can add admin by entering the details. To delete admin, selecting the username from the drop down list. And to check the total admin registered, we can visit admin details. Selecting class from side menu where we can add class. By entering the class name and clicking on add class, the class is added successfully. Now to edit class, we are going to change the class name. Clicking on edit class, the class name is edited successfully. To delete class, we are going to click on delete button where the class is deleted successfully. After adding class, now we are going to add courses. Add course, selecting class, course name. By clicking on add course, the course is added. To edit, we are clicking on edit, selecting class, course name which we want to edit, and by clicking on edit course, the course is edited successfully. To delete, we are clicking on delete button where we can see the course is deleted. After adding course, let's set exam. Add exam, select your subject name, any exam description, exam duration in minutes, exam passing marks and total marks. By clicking on add exam, the exam is added successfully. Clicking on details will give detailed information about exam. Coming back to exam list, clicking on edit button will edit the exam such as category, subject, exam passing marks, etc. Will edit exam. Clicking on delete button will delete exam from the exam list. Whereas to add question, clicking on add question, it will add new question with question name, 4 options and correct answer. View question will view the questions which is setted by the admin for an exam. Moving towards result, student result has been displayed on this page after submitting exam. Now we are going to log out admin module. So we will log in to student module. Clicking on the login button will authenticate for the username and password. Now we are going to enter the username and incorrect password. By clicking on the login button, it will message as username and password is incorrect. Now we are going to enter correct password. By clicking on the login button, it will display the default page as my profile. This is a student profile where we can see the username, full name, password and email of the student in the profile section. Here in the right side corner we can see the username and name of the student. Before giving exam, let's see the syllabus. We are going to see the semester 5 syllabus. This is in the PDF form. We can check the syllabus before giving an exam. Now we are going to give exam, third year, computer security, start exam. By clicking here we can see the time left. Now we are going to give answers of the question. Now by clicking on submit button, the result will be displayed. Also in the result we can see exam name, total question, remark, total marks and your score. Now we are going to log out student module. If the student forgets password, by clicking on forgot password link, entering the email address of the student and clicking on get your password, it will display as your password has been sent to the email address. Now checking the email address, we can see the email address has been displayed with the username and password. We have given exam. Now to check the result has been displayed to admin or not, we are going to log in as admin. From side menu we are going to click on result session, where we can see all the result of the student has been displayed in the table. And now we are going to log out. And this is our overall project of online examination system website. Overall online examination system concludes the concept to minimize the amount of paper and also to convert all forms of documents to digital form. It is also observed that the information required can be gained easily. Thank you.